Budget airlines today love popping you for huge fees if even your carry-on bags are overweight. How do you avoid that? Number one, layers. You can add a light sweater, the heavier sweater, and a coat. Wear your heavier shoes, pack your lighter ones, and you can imagine how many pairs of boxers I'm wearing. Number two, carry as much on your body as possible. You've got pockets here and here and here. Passports, gloves, hats, scarves, belts. Wear it, including having a drawstring bag under one of your layers that has your laptop in it. That thing weighs a ton. You didn't notice I was wearing a bag. Neither will they. This is all just about clearing the check-in counter. Once you get to security, just take all your layers back off, stick everything in your bag. Who cares? You're already checked in. This whole get up put more than 6.5 pounds on me. Some airlines cap you at 20 or even 10 pounds. 6+ is huge. Safe travels and spend the money you saved on a Christmas gift for me.